Welcome to this video which takes a look at managing LANGuardian dashboards. My name is Darren, I'm Head of Technical Services here at Netfort. LANGuardian dashboards can be accessed through this dashboard option top left in the GUI. So you can click on that and it displays whatever dashboards you've got configured. Now if you want to make this your default view, if you go to Administrator, or I'm logged on as Administrator, so this is your profile, then go to Account Settings. And here I could then change to have dashboard as my default start page. And that means when I log on to LANGuardian, I'm presented straight away with the dashboards. Now there is a limit in LANGuardian. We support 5 total number of dashboards you can configure. And out of the box, the default ones are bandwidth activity, file share activity, internet activity, network forensics, and user activity. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to delete one of these dashboards and just go through the process of how you can create new ones. So select the dashboard, so I'm on user activity, click on edit. And at the bottom here there's an option to delete. So this removes the dashboard, so I get prompted, yes. So that brings me down to 4 dashboards. So I'm going to create a new dashboard here, so you click on add. Give it a name. It's going to call it layer 2 information. You then have the concept here of columns. Now columns are just places where we can add elements. If you've got widescreen, you can add a new column, which gives you more space for adding elements. Or you could keep adding more, but it depends on the width of your monitor. If you don't want scroll bars, try and limit it to maybe 2 or 3 columns. We can then populate the columns with elements. So let's see what we'll add in here. So first thing I might want to do is put in this IPv6 ARP train, drop it in there. I could then go to reports. All LANGuardian reports are listed here. Now if you have custom reports set up, they are shown here towards the top. I'm interested in kind of layer 2 information, so we'll go for traffic distribution, top talkers, maybe top broadcasters. Actually, I'll remove that third column and plenty of space with 2. If you double click on the reports within these columns, you can then change the time period that they look at. So default is last hour, but I could change it to last 4 hours. So you just double click on each and you can change the default report time. You cannot change the report time for a trend, it's fixed. So once you've got your dashboard set up, you click on save. So it now starts to load up. Now when you save it first, you may not have data being displayed immediately. It may take a couple of minutes for the elements to populate. So we could then move things around in here if we don't like the look of things. So I could move top broadcaster say to the top, leave top talkers there, traffic distribution over here. So we can set things up the way we want. So we could move that down there, for example, traffic distribution up here, and press save. You can go to full screen mode as well, or network operations mode, by clicking on the knock option, which hides the menus, and that can be displayed up on a wall. The dashboards will update automatically. You don't need to press refresh or close or reopen your browser. They will update automatically. Let's go back to normal mode. Now, the other thing you can do is you can give certain users access to specific dashboards. So you might want to give somebody in your network operations center access to this dashboard. And to do that, you click on the gear symbol, go to configuration, scroll down to the system section here where you've got the option to add or edit user accounts. Now I already created a user account here called layer 2. You could add new ones, just click the option. Click on edit dashboards. And then I'm going to give this user access to this new layer 2 information dashboard I just created. Press save. Let's go back to home page. So if I was to log off as administrator and log on then as layer 2, that user, the only dashboard I will see is this one here that I've just set up. So that's the basics of managing LANGuardian dashboards. If you have any more questions about Netfort LANGuardian or managing dashboards, please visit our website at www.netfort.com, where you'll find links to our forum and also some contact information. Alternatively, you can also email us at support@netfort.com.